Hello, welcome what's up guys, I am Revit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create iron armor set in Minecraft. I will show you how to do it. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So what you need to do is first iron from furnace, and now you must go to the crafting table and I will show you how to do it. To create iron boot you need 4 iron. To create trousers you need 7 iron. To create chest plate 8, and to create helm 5. And you did it. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, see you next time. Thanks.